I was told before I kind of look like Shaka Khan when it's blowed out, so y'all shall see her when I get back. Welcome back, my beauties and cuties, for another video with me, Khaliyah, on Khaliyah Kurls. Alright, so today's setup is a little different. Normally I come onto camera with like my hair all out, but honey, it looked a mess, okay? Yeah, it was looking bad. So I was like, I'm not finna put y'all eyes through that, okay? I'm finna fix it, get it washed, get it deep conditioned, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna start it up right. Okay? So as you can see, my hair, like right here, you can see the drippage, okay? I be dripping. Okay, because I wash my hair, as you can tell. So what I use today is Flawless by Gabrielle Union, the Hydrating Detangling Shampoo. And then I did the deep conditioner. I used Camilla Rose's Algae Renew Deep Conditioning Mask. I left this on for 10 minutes because that's what the instruction says. Today I'm going to blow up my hair and then we're going to do some twists using some gel. I said that in one of my previous videos, so I'm going to leave a little iCard so you can go check that out after this video, okay? Okay, so using Flawless by Gabrielle Union, the Smoothing Blow Dry Cream, okay? And before we get into this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit the bell, make sure you leave a comment below to say hello, and make sure you share with everybody you know. You like it, like the video. So I'm going to use this before I actually blow dry my hair because it basically supposed to defend my hair against heat damage and breakage. So we don't want that breakage, okay? We trying to get this under control, right? Together, right? Okay, so I'm going to apply this. And then I'm going to use this Eco Style gel. Yeah, this one. So yeah, we're going to do this. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this to one section of my hair. Then I'm going to just go ahead and do the rest. And then when I come back, I'm basically going to have this all blown out. So basically I like to keep my hair in bantu knots because then it keeps, I feel like it keeps keeps my hair wet basically. So basically it like kind of helps it from drying out. Yeah, basically helps it from drying out. Alright, so I'm going to just do this. This is the cream I'm using, by the way. Just work this in. And this is kind of thick, so I wouldn't use too much. And I definitely don't want to use too much because I'm applying that gel to my hair. Alright, and just to show you how much I'm using about that much. So like I don't know if this is called a dollop, a little dot, a little. And what I like to do when I'm like applying product to my hair, I like to like kind of mix it in my hand. That way I can work the top and the bottom of my hair. So basically I'm just going to apply the cream to the rest of my hair and I'm going to go ahead and blow dry it out. Okay, so when I come back, my hair is going to be blowed out. I was told before I kind of look like Shaka Khan when it's blowed out, so y'all shall see her when I get back. Alright, Beezy Kitty, so I've just finished blowing up my hair. As you can see, nice and puffy. Alright, so now what we're finna do is go ahead and twist it up using the Eco Style gel. I just took a random section in the back of my hair. It's not even at all because I didn't section it off because I'm just doing some twists. Because I'm going to take these out tomorrow. You can go ahead and like go in there with like a comb and just get like exact like sections if you want. I'm not doing that tonight. So now I'm just going to apply the gel down my hair. And make sure I'm getting it at my roots so my roots don't puff out at all. And I'm basically going to do this to the rest of my head, so I'll be back when I finish the whole thing. Alright, my beauties and cuties, so I'm back. I finished twisting my hair. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to sleep because I am tired. I don't know what. I'm finna KO. But, so basically I'm going to wrap my hair with a satin scarf. If you want to use a satin scarf and a satin bonnet, you can. If you just want to use a satin bonnet. whichever, but I'm finna just do a scarf, do the nice little doop thigh, and go night night. Okay, so I'll see you in the morning. All right, beauties and cuties, so it's the next day. My hair is completely dry. I slept in a satin scarf last night, and I noticed when I did look over my video from last night, I saw that it was like, you saw like it was kind of white, and basically that happens when there's like a lot of product, which is probably just because of the blow dry cream that I use by Flawless, which is this, because I had this on my hair, which is supposed to help with like protect me against heat damage. And then I also added the styling gel, so that's probably what it is. It did just absorb into my hair, so my hair is nice and dry, and there's a little, you see a little bounce a little bit. So I'm gonna take out a couple right now, and then I'm just gonna go off camera and just take out the rest and then show you the end result. All right, so we're just gonna start from the front because it's easier to see. So we see that. All right. And then we're taking out twists. We just basically go the opposite way that we twisted it up or twisted it down. All right, so I can definitely see definition in my curls. Definitely. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments below what you think. All right. And then twisting this last night honestly didn't take that long. It took about the same amount it normally takes me. Alright, we got the next one. So basically I like to stretch out my hair when I'm untwisting them, just to make sure there's like bounce in my hair and it's not stiff. Beauties Cuties, so I basically said I was going to do a few, but I basically took out the first half of my head. So I'm going to be back when I finish the rest. Alright, Beauties Cuties, so this is the end result. I'm pretty sure I took up all my twists. I felt through, and I think I got all of them. But if not, you know, more defined curls. So I definitely like this one. I feel like my curls are more volumized, if that's the correct term for this. But they definitely seem a lot kind of like thicker than my normal twist set, which are kind of not thin, but they're not kind of like as puffy, as thick. Yeah, they're not as thick as when I did this. I definitely recommend using the Eco Style Gel to twist your hair. As far as my review for the Camilla Rose Deep Conditioning Mask, I definitely recommend this. It smells amazing, okay? Your hair definitely feels really soft and really moisturized after it sits for 10 minutes. It works wonders, trust me. It feels amazing. Your hair feels amazing after using it. I definitely recommend Flawless by Gabrielle Union. I love her products. It's for color treated hair specifically. So everyone that has color treated hair, honey, go and buy the products. They're not expensive at all. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you think of the video in the comments below. Go check out my other videos. I'll leave a little iCard at the top of the screen. Make sure you like the video and see you next week. Bye.